Hi, I am Kevin from Karna Institute of Technology, URK20CS307. In this video, we are going to see about the exception handling. By using this formula, I get the third program, the ATM operations. Write a manual-driven program in Java that automate the ATM operation by demonstrating the concept of interface and create this custom exception and deal with the following situation. We first condition to invalid pin number is entered more than 3 times, and the withdraw operation when balance amount is greater than or withdraw amount. Let's see in this program. First, I create a package with exception handling. In that, I create an interface of void balance and a void withdraw. That ATM implements the operation to get an input from the user. For that, we give pin has 1122 and the balance is 40,000 in this ATM function. And this balance amount to enter the pin and the balance of the pin. If we give a wrong, it will be given wrong pin number, and we use the exception like try to the pin exception wrong pin. To catch that exception, we want to uh, use the catch function, and after that we want to write an operation for the withdraw function. The amount to enter the pin, if the pin is correct, the enter the withdrawal amount. uh, if we give greater than the balance, it will can't withdraw. uh, if we give lesser than balance, we will get an amount withdraw amount. If we give an invalid pin, it will be given invalid pin. By using the pin exception, I created that pin exception as pin exception of string s and the super s, and it will be extend from the exception. And after that, give an try function, and using withdraw function also can't withdraw, we will to say. uh, for that, I create an withdraw exception to extend the exception to withdraw exception of string s and super s. After this, we come to the main class that we want to get the user from user input from view balance or withdraw or exit. In that three choice, we want to give an enter one, we want to get an balance, and after that we want to give an withdraw. Otherwise it will give the invalid choice. I give three events, it will be exited. Let's run the program and see the code. First, I run the program. First, I give one. I want to enter the pin. I give 1 2 3 4. The pin name is 1122, but I give any digit. After that, I give same digit. It gives an exception handling at the pin exception in the wrong pin. After that, also the code will run, asking the user to view balance, withdraw, exit. First, again I give. Afterwards, I give a correct pin. Now it displays as 40,000. I written in the program that this 40,000. In this we give 40,000. After that, I give withdraw amount. I give 1122. Withdraw amount to be 50,000. It will give an exception handling, and it can't withdraw. If I give an lesser than 40,000, it will be withdraw, and it show the amount withdrawn. After that, I want to view the balance 1122. It gives is 20,000. After that, I exit. And the output is verified successfully, and the program ends.